This literature kit on The One and Only Ivan by Katherine Applegate utilizes the vocabulary and comprehension questions in a variety of ways throughout the chapter assignments. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Describe how Julia is different from other children that visit the mall. Learn key vocabulary words by solving crossword clues. Based on how Ivan began his life with Mack, imagine what it would be like to have a wild animal for a pet. Complete a passage from the novel with its missing words. 4 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as designing your own billboard as a group. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Match the group name with their animal species. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.